Hi friends, this is Sammy from Absolutely Creative. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cool twisting box. Let's begin how to do it. You will be needing a 15 by 15 centimeter paper and 10 pieces of these. Now, your first step is take this point and fold it here. Okay, now you do it on the other side. Okay, now unfold it. Take this point to the middle. Crease it. You can use a card if you want. And now take this point and fold it up to the middle. Crease it hard. Now take the other point and fold it here. Crease it hard with your card and do the same thing. Okay, and fold it like that. Now from here, things are gonna get tricky, so pay attention closely. Now take this point here. Now take this point and fold it here and crease it hard. Flip it. Now fold it from here, like maybe like this. And now do this. And now you have one of these. Put this under a hard place. Now take this second paper and do the same thing you did with the first one. And now from here, things are going to be very tricky, so you have to listen and watch carefully. Now, open it up a little on the first one, close the second one, and keep it down here. Okay, take this flap open and put this down here. It should look like this. And now take the other one and put it down here. Okay. Now use the card to flatten it. Okay, you see these flaps? This flap you glue it, stick it here, like this. Okay, and do it onto the bottom side too. And now flip it and do it to the other side. And last top side. And now just put it under some weight for 10 seconds. Take it off. And now you have you can see it now. I have all my 6 cubes ready, decorated with drawings, but you can decorate it with stickers and pictures and your family. So what you need to do is you have to glue them together. So it would be an easier way if you just put them flat so you can glue them. Okay, first take 1 cube and glue it. Now take another cube and glue it. Okay, now glue them together and make sure they're sticking together or else it will come apart, which you don't want that to happen. Now take 2 other cubes and do the same thing. Now I have my 6 cubes glued together. This is how it's gonna look like when I open it. Now you will be needing a box. I already have a box, so if you want to make your box, you can, but if you have a box, you can use it. I'm using a box I have. So I just decorated it, and yeah. Now what we need to do is gluing this side to this side and this side to this side. This is how your box will look like. Let me show you how to open it gently. Hope you all liked my video. Please don't forget to press the like button if you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, Absolutely Creative. See you all back with more arts and crafts. Thank you and bye.